Hello students, Maurice here. In the previous lecture, we discussed some definitions like subset, superset, then proper subset, union of two sets. Now, today we are going to see the next definition, intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Suppose there are two sets A and B. Suppose there are two sets A and B. Then the intersection of these two sets, is denoted by A intersection B and is the set of all elements which are both in set A and set B. Okay. Suppose there are two sets A and B, then the intersection of these two sets is denoted by the A intersection B and is the set of all elements which are both in A and B, which is equal to set containing the elements, suppose X, such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That is called intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Now example, suppose if you take, let set A equal to elements, if you take 1, then 3, then 5, 7 and 9. This set A. And suppose if we take set B equal to set containing the elements 1 up to 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are two sets. Suppose let A equal to set containing let A equal to set containing elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B equal to set containing the elements 1 to 8. Then the intersection of these two sets, then the A intersection with B, which is equal to set containing the elements. Definition of, if suppose A and B are two unit sets, then the intersection of these two sets contains all the elements which are both in A and B. It means simple. दोन सेट्स असतील त्यांचे इंटरसेक्शन जेव्हा आपण घेतो तेव्हा काय करायचं, दोन सेट मधील कॉमन एलिमेंट्स म्हणजे इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दीज टू सेट्स. मीन्स हियर कॉमन एलिमेंट्स which origin 1 A and B, therefore suppose 1 also come. Then next common element 3, 3. Then next one common element 5, 5. Then next one 7, 7. This also common. Then next 9 is in A but not in B. Therefore intersection of A and B contains the common elements of set A and B 1, 3, 5, 7. ठीक है. A equal to set containing elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B equal to set containing the elements 1 to 8. Then the intersection of A intersection B equal to set containing all elements which are both in A and B, means 1, 1. Next 3, 3. Next 5, 5 and 7, 7. This intersection of two sets. Now next there is one property, distributive property. Next there is distributive property only statement here. Suppose we have two sets. A and B. Suppose A and B are any two sets, then distributive property what? A union with in bracket B intersection C, which is equal to A union with B bracket intersection A union with C. And these first and second one is A intersection in bracket B union C, which is equal to this A intersection with B here union with A intersection with C. That is called distributive property. Distributive property what? Suppose there are two sets A and B. Then first what? A union with this B intersection with C, which is equal to A union with B intersection A union with C. And second what? A intersection in bracket B union with C, which is equal to A intersection B union with A intersection with C. That we call distributive property of two sets. Example based on this property आपण पुढे बघणार आहोत. Now next De Morgan's law. Next law is De Morgan's law. त्याचा सुद्धा फक्त स्टेटमेंटच आहेत. De Morgan's law आहे. सपोज देर आर टू सेट्स if A and B, if A and B are any two subsets of a universal set U, ठीक है, suppose A and B are any two sets, A and B are any two sets, but condition क्या है, A and B are any two subsets of a universal set U. A and B are any two subsets of a universal set U, then De Morgan's law, first what, De Morgan's law, A union with B whole its bracket complement which is equal to A complement intersection with B complement, and second what, A intersection with B its complement which is equal to A complement union with B complement, that we call De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law काय म्हणतो, suppose A and B are any two subsets of a universal set U, then De Morgan's law states that A union with B bracket complement which is equal to A complement intersection with B complement, and second one is A intersection B its complement which is equal to A complement union with B complement, that you call De Morgan's law of two sets. De Morgan's law of two sets. De Morgan's law of two sets. Now next definition is difference between two sets. Difference between two sets. Suppose there are two sets A and B. Suppose there are two sets A and B, or suppose we have two sets A and B. Then A minus B. Then A minus B is called the difference between A and B. Is called the difference between A and B, and is the set of all points which belongs to A but does not in B. ठीक है, suppose there are two sets A and B, then the A minus B is called the difference between the set A and B, and this set is what? This set is containing the element which are belongs to A but does not belongs to B, that is which is equal to set containing element X such that all elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to the set B, does not belong to the set B. It means simple, A minus B म्हणजे काय, असे एलिमेंट जे A मध्ये असतील पण B मध्ये असतील त्या एलिमेंटचे कलेक्शन म्हणजे काय म्हणतो A minus B, and that we call difference between the set A and B. Now next P minus A, B minus A. B minus A is called the difference between the set B and A. Difference between the set B and A. Definition also same. It is the set of all elements which belongs to the set B but does not in A. Equal to set containing the element X such that all elements belongs to the set B but does not belongs to set A. That is called difference between two sets. One more. Suppose there are two sets A and B. Then A minus B is called the difference between the set A and B, and which is the set containing all elements which belongs to the set A but does not belongs to B. म्हणजेच काय, A मध्ये असतील B मध्ये नसतील असे एलिमेंट्स म्हणजे A minus B. Similarly next what, B minus A is called the difference between the set B and A, and which is the set of all elements which belongs to the set B but does not in A. म्हणजेच काय म्हणतो, हा सेट असे एलिमेंट जे B मध्ये असतील पण A मध्ये नको आहेत, B मधले एलिमेंट A मध्ये नको आहेत अशा एलिमेंटचे कलेक्शन म्हणजे काय, B minus A. For example, if you take example, if A equal to set containing X such that X is factor of 6, such that X is factor of 6, and B equal to set containing the element X such that X is factor of 8, X is factor of 8, X is factor of 8. Then find A minus B and B minus A. Then find A minus B and B minus A. Here, suppose example on, if A equal to set containing the element X such that X is factor of 6, and B equal to set containing the elements X such that X is factor of 8, then find the difference between the set A and B and B and A. Simple. Now solution मध्ये काय होईल, solution first upon these two sets ॲज इट इज. अँड एक्स सेट ए चे इलिमेंट्स आपल्याला लागतील. सेट ए कसा घेऊन आहे, x such that x is factor of 6. It means set A is the collection of factors of 6. Factors of 6. Factors of 6 which one? 1, then next 2 and 3 and 6. Only those four factors are 6. Then next B is the set of factors of 8. It means B contains the elements factors of 8. It means 1, then next 2, 4 and 8. These are the factors of 8. Means solution. Here solution, let A equal to set containing x such that x is factor of 6. Therefore A equal to set containing factors of 6. Which one? 1, then next 2, then next 3 and 6. These are the factors of what? 6. These are the factors of 6. These are the factors of 6. Similarly B set. Similarly also B which is equal to set containing x such that x is factor of 8. X is factor of 8. Therefore we know that factors of 8. Therefore B equal to set containing the elements factors of 8. Which one? 1, then next 2, then next 4 and 8. These are the factors of 8. Means we find out two sets. Which one? A and B. Now required we will find A minus B and B minus A. A minus B कोणता सेट येईल? A minus B set containing all elements which belongs to A but does not in B. म्हणजेच काय, A मध्ये असतील पण B मध्ये नसतील असा एलिमेंटचा सेट म्हणजेच काय होतो? A minus B. कोणते येतील? हिअर 1 2 A मध्ये पण आहेत, B मध्ये आहेत, ती घेणार आहे आपण. 3 and 6 these belongs to A but 3 and 6 does not belongs to B. Therefore we will take A minus B which is equal to 3 6. Similarly B minus A elements कोणते येतील? B minus A set containing all elements which belongs to B but does not belongs to A. Here in set B there is 4 8. This belongs to B but 4 8 does not belongs to A. Therefore B minus A which is equal to set containing element only 4 8. Therefore next line A minus B which is equal to set containing the elements all elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. म्हणजे काय, A मध्ये असतील B मध्ये नसतील. म्हणजे काय, 3 and 6 belongs to A but 3 and 6 does not belongs to B. Therefore in A minus B there are 3 and 6 these two elements. Similarly next B minus A which is equal to set containing B minus A set containing all elements which belongs to B but does not in A. म्हणजेच काय, B मध्ये असतील आणि A मध्ये नसतील अशा एलिमेंटचे कलेक्शन. नाव हिअर इन द सेट B there is 4 8 but these 4 8 belongs to B does not belongs to A. Therefore B minus A set containing elements 4 and 8. This is what? B minus A. Now next example. Now let us take examples in exercise 1.1 example number 4. Exercise 1.1 example, if A B C are the sets for letters of a words college, next marriage and luggage. Respectively, then verify that A minus, then verify that A minus here B intersection with C which is equal to which is equal to, correct. Then verify that A minus B union with C, which is equal to A minus B intersection with A minus C. A minus C. A minus C intersection with A minus C. Question what? If A, B, C are the sets for the letters of a word, college, marriage and luggage respectively, then verify that A minus B union with C, which is equal to A minus B intersection with A minus C. We have to verify this with the help of these three sets. Now here already is given that A, B, C are the sets for the letters of a word, these respectively. म्हणजे काय होणार? A is the set of all letters in the word college. The next B is the set of all letters in the word marriage. And the next C is the set of all letters in the word luggage. Then it means we will get three sets, and then after that we have to verify this property. Now here verify, it means these two are equals. First we will find the value of left hand side, it means A minus B union C. याची व्हॅल्यू आपण फर्स्ट आपण फाउंड करणार. याची व्हॅल्यू काय येईल त्याला इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. द नेक्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ राइट हँड साइड, इट मीन्स A मायनस B इंटरसेक्शन विथ A मायनस C. याची काहीतरी व्हॅल्यू मिळेल त्याला इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड दिलं. देन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड वी ऑब्झर्व दॅट both have same value, therefore we say that these are equal. Now in solution what? Solution here A, B, C are the sets for the letters of words. Which one of words? College, second marriage, and third one and luggage respectively. And third one is luggage respectively. It means this given statement. Here it is given that A, B, C are the sets for letters of the word college, marriage and luggage respectively. Therefore A equal to set containing elements. काय given आहे? A is the set of all letters in the word college. It means A equal to set containing या letters चा collection. म्हणजे first what? C, the next letter O, the next L. Well, L here repeated two times. We can take here only once. Repeated it. The next one E, and the next G, and last this E. But already we E take here. Therefore, we can write it as once. Therefore, we get a set A equal to this. The next set B is the set of letters for the word marriage. Therefore, set B equal to set containing the elements of the letters. First what? M, the next this A, the next R two times, therefore we can write only once. The next I, the next A, but already we A taken here. The next what? G, and last E. Last word is, or last letter is E. We get set B. And then next last set C. C is the set of all letters for the word luggage. Therefore C equal to set containing the elements letters of the word that. Therefore first what? L, the next U, the next G two times, we can write here once. The next one what? A, the next G, but already we G take here. The next what? E. Last one is E. Means we get three sets A, B, C respectively. We get three sets A, B, C respectively. The next line to verify that. Next line we have to verify, or next line here to verify that A minus B union C, which is equal to A minus B intersection with A minus C, we have to verify this. आपल्याला काय व्हेरीफाय करायचं आहे? दिस फर्स्ट LHS व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करू आपण. याला इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, देन नेक्स्ट RHS व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करू, इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड, देन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट and second we observe that both have same value, therefore we can write this equality. Therefore in next line, now first we will find the value of that. Now in the LHS or left hand side there are difference between two sets. Which one? There are difference between A and the set B union C. Now A set already we have, but आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करावं लागेल? B union C हा सेट फाइंड आउट करावा लागेल. Then we will take this. Therefore first we will find B union C हा सेट फाइंड आउट करायचा. त्याच्यानंतर then next we will take this difference between set A and B union C. A set already we have. Now next line, B union C, which is equal to set containing the elements B union C. Union means what? It is the collection of all elements which belongs to set B or C. It means simple, दोन्ही सेटच्या एलिमेंट्स जस्ट कलेक्शन. म्हणजे काय होईल? B this is what is M. B set first आपण as it is M, then next A, then next R, then next I, then G, then E. This B whole set elements as it is. Now next element of the set C, L. First element L, then next U, then next U. Now third G, but already we take here G. Then next one A also have. Then E also we take here. Therefore B union C contains only these elements. अर्धा एक्झाम्पल झालं. काय करायचं? B union C, we get here B union C. Now B union C, आता LHS आपण घेऊ शकतो A minus B union C. We have B union C. Now we take this value of the LHS left hand side, A minus B union C. Now B union C we get. Now next line, therefore A minus B union C. It means this what? Difference between the set A and B union C. A set we have, B union C आत्ताच आपण फाइंड आउट केला आहे. त्या दोघांमधील डिफरन्स which is equal to set containing the elements what? A minus these elements कोणते दिले? असे एलिमेंट जे एलिमेंट्स all elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to B union C. म्हणजेच काय? सेट A मध्ये असतील पण B union C मध्ये नसतील असे एलिमेंट्स. म्हणजेच काय येणार? A minus B union C. Therefore set A C element in A C belongs to A but does not belongs to B union C. Therefore आपण इथे काय घेऊ शकतो? C. Then next element O belongs to A but does not belongs to B union C. Therefore O सुद्धा घेऊ शकतो. Then next element L belongs to A. L also is in B union C. Therefore हा घेऊ शकत नाही आपण. Then next E A मध्ये पण आहे, B union C मध्ये आहे, घेणार नाही आपण. G A मध्ये पण आहे, B union C मध्ये पण आहे. Therefore ते एलिमेंट घेऊ शकणार नाही. म्हणजे A minus B union C equal set containing all elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to B union C. म्हणजे काय? A मध्ये CO आहे पण B union C मध्ये नाही. म्हणजेच या सेट मध्ये C आणि O एवढे दोन एलिमेंट्स आहेत. Now that we write equation number first. Why? Because we find out this. Now next we will find this value what? A minus B intersection with A minus C. It is now next line here. Now next line A minus B intersection with A minus C. इथून घेतो here. Next line here. Next we will find this. Now here A minus B intersection with A minus C means there are two sets, A minus B and A minus C, and intersection of these two sets. Now A minus B हा सेट आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करावा लागेल. नेक्स्ट A minus C हा सेट आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करावा लागेल. नेक्स्ट त्यांचं इंटरसेक्शन म्हणजे आपल्याला होल दिस मिळेल. नाउ नेक्स्ट A minus B here, A minus B हे इक्वेशन झाल्यानंतरची लाईन इथे लिहितोय. हे नाही. A minus B equal to set containing element. A minus B means what? Difference between the set A and B. It means A minus B set of all elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. म्हणजे काय? A मध्ये असतील आणि B मध्ये नसतील असे एलिमेंट्स. म्हणजे काय येणार? C A मध्ये आहे B मध्ये नाही म्हणजे C A. The next O A मध्ये आहे B मध्ये नाही म्हणजे तो सुद्धा येईल. The next L A मध्ये आहे B मध्ये आहे L सुद्धा येईल. The next E A मध्ये आहे B मध्ये आहे घेणार नाही. G A मध्ये आहे B मध्ये आहे घेणार नाही म्हणजे A minus B equal to set containing the elements only C O L. And then next what? A minus C set. A minus C set. A minus C equal to set containing the elements. कोणते येतील असे एलिमेंट्स ऑल these elements which belongs to A but does not belong to C. म्हणजे काय? सेट ए मध्ये असतील सी मध्ये नसतील. हिअर सेट ए मध्ये असतील सी मध्ये नसतील असे एलिमेंट्स कोणते मिळतील आपल्याला? हिअर सी बिलॉंग्स टू ए डज नॉट बिलॉंग्स टू सेट सी. देअरफॉर वी कॅन टेक हिअर सी. द नेक्स्ट ओ इज इन ए बट डज नॉट बिलॉंग्स टू व्हॉट? सी. देअरफॉर हिअर व्हॉट? ओ. हिअर व्हॉट? ओ सी ओ. द नेक्स्ट यल इज इन ए सी मध्ये आहे घेणार नाही. ई ए मध्ये पण आहे सी मध्ये पण आहे. जी ए मध्ये पण आहे सी मध्ये पण आहे. देअरफॉर ओनली ए मायनस बी सेट कंटेनिंग ऑल एलिमेंट विच बिलॉंग्स टू ए बट डज नॉट बिलॉंग्स टू सी. म्हणजे असे एलिमेंट जे ए मध्ये असतील आणि सी मध्ये नसतील आपल्याला मिळतात दोन एलिमेंट. देअरफॉर वी गेट टू सेट्स ए मायनस बी ए मायनस सी. नाउ बोथ सेट इंटरसेक्शन देन वी विल गेट आर एच. देअरफॉर नेक्स्ट लाइन A minus B intersection with A minus C. A minus C which is equal to set containing. Just take intersection of these two sets and we know that intersection means what? Collect the common elements between these two sets. Here CO CO these two elements are common in that set. Therefore we write here C comma O. This we get intersection of these two sets and then we write equation number second. LHS find out केली equation number first. RHS find out केली equation number second. Now next line from equation first and second we observe that equation first value what? CO. Then equation second value what? CO. RHS same. Therefore we say that LHS also same. Therefore next line we write. Therefore next line we can write. Therefore next line we can write. Therefore from equation 1 and 2 we get A minus B union with C which is equal to A minus B intersection with A minus C which is our required proof.